Hi everyone, my name is Mark Bradbury. I'm the CEO of Easter Seals Newfoundland and Labrador. And with me today is Tom White, Sales Manager for Steele Honda, who, once again this year, is the Early Bird Prize sponsor. Tom.
Thank you, Mark. Steele Honda is very pleased to be sponsoring the Easter Seals Luxury Cabin Lottery Early Bird Prize. This is such an important cause that benefits so many people within our province.
And the Early Bird Prize is a 2022 Steele Honda Ridgeline Sport all-wheel drive truck. Someone's going to win that right now. Tom, would you please draw the winning ticket?
Absolutely. Congratulations, Jennifer Shears. Ticket number 15522. You are the lucky winner of this year's Early Bird Prize.
Congratulations, Jennifer Shears. And everyone, there's still a ton of prizes left, including the grand prize, a luxury cabin worth over $500,000. Bonus prize ticket deadline is August the 11th. Tickets are only $30, so get your tickets today at cabinlottery.ca.